have completed the inspection on your prospective home and received the detailed home inspection report. What is the next step? First things first. Hopefully, you were able to go over the issues with your inspector after the inspection, so you have a good idea of concerns. Start with the summary page of the report to confirm the major issues as well as the minor issues that were documented on the home. Determine which items you plan to put in the contingency and make your list of requests. Be sure to read the entire report and decide which additional items to request from the seller and which ones you're willing to handle on your own. Minor issues that could show up on the report may include replace the kitchen sink faucet, replace the living room light, or patch holes in the drywall. If you're handy with minor repairs, you may decide to fix these items on your own. But some repairs that could show up on your report may need a professional, such as replace the water heater or repair the furnace. These are items you should request of the seller. The home inspection report is valuable information about the condition of the home. The items on the report allow you to ask for repairs or help you to understand what items to fix on your own at a later date. Knowing the condition of the home and an idea of what may need to be fixed or repaired lets you make your most informed buying decision.